Hey YouTube, just want to do a quick video on installing a new radiator on a 2006 Chrysler Town and Country. So basically what I did is I removed this bar here, this crossbar piece, 2 13 millimeters on each end. Your hood mechanism, 2 10 millimeters hold that in. So I'll pop that out. Then you got a 10 millimeter here, a little bracket that holds the radiator on each side, one over here. Pop those out. I took all my front grill out and stuff. I think it was worth doing just to get it out of the way. It's kind of a pain. But these things are kind of a pain, but if you just work them a little bit, they'll come. And it just makes it a lot nicer getting it out of your way. But one of the biggest, I guess, secrets maybe here is right in here there's a little latch gizmo. And you have to squeeze these tabs together to unlock your transmission cooling radiator from the main radiator. And let's see if I can see it. And what you got to do is, let's see if I can get a better shot. Yeah, that right there. That you squeeze a couple of tabs together right there, and that will unlatch it. But then what you have to do is down in there, that sits in a little groove that's on the actual radiator. So you have to lift this forward one up and pull it forward a little bit and just kind of let it drop down to get it out of your way. And the other thing, of course, is getting your fans out. There's the electrical plug that we all hate, but there's a little red tab on that. You have to push that down on this particular one, and that'll pop right off pretty easy. And then there's one single 10 millimeter right there that holds the fan in. You just take that one out, and the fan will slide right up and out pretty easily. And actually, when I did my alternator, I found it was a lot easy. It was really just as easy to. I just took this one passenger side fan out. I took this bar out here, the crossbar, and that fan out, and the alternator came right out slick. And I had that all apart in probably no more than 10 minutes, really. I use this little Milwaukee impact gun, and it makes it really fast to pull stuff apart and put it together. I really like that rig. But I guess that's it. A few tips I thought might help you. So thanks for watching.